Okay, so we're going to look at how to upload your scores for the semester exam and make sure that you've got your semester totals in. So go ahead and log in to your Teacher Access Center to eSchool. And then when you go to the report card submission, click on that. And you will want to load in the scores from the 6 weeks. You do that, as you know, each 6 weeks, pressing the load button, and you always have to make sure you save. Then you just simply enter in the exam grades here, and you need to make sure you will then have to load. You may have to load a second time and then save, because what will happen is then when it loads, it will read the 6 week scores from basically all the 6 weeks, the exam score, and it'll give you a semester total. If there's no semester total, then that means something is missing. It's either in the third 6 weeks marking period that something's missing, the exam score is missing, or perhaps a first or second 6 weeks marking period is missing. And so if any of that is missing, if there's no semester score, that tells you something is not been done correctly, and you'll need to get that fixed. In most cases, it's a missing assignment, or it's not a missing assignment, but a missing 6 week score. And so you need to find that and then put that in there for that student. Usually it's because they've transferred from another class period or from another school, and when they moved in you maybe hadn't gotten the grade yet, so it didn't ever get input. And so that's one of the things you need to make sure you get taken care of prior to grades being due. And so the way you make sure that you've got semester grades correct is you load and hit save. You just input the semester exam right here in the exam portion. And then the semester total shows up and you should be good to go. The other thing, if you have a student that does not take an exam because they're absent and you aren't able to get it done during this week of the final exams, you put the score in a 0-4, and that gives them it lowers their their semester totals significantly, and so therefore it kind of is it's a signal score basically. We see 0-4, we know, okay, that person hasn't taken the exam, and it also sets up that, hey, it's going to affect their grade, and so they need to make sure it's taken care of. So that's how you upload and make sure the final exam scores are in, and then therefore the semester exams are correct.